In today's video, I'll show you how to create and set up a personal Wi-Fi hotspot using your Google Pixel. Let's get into the method. Open the Settings app first, and then choose Network and Internet from the list. Within here, tap on Hotspot and Tethering, and then tap on Wi-Fi Hotspot. Double check that mobile or cellular data is turned on and be aware of any data limits that you have or limitations for using tethering or hotspots. We can now set up the hotspot. You should be able to leave most of these options as they are, however you might want to tap on the hotspot name to change and customize this, or the password option to set a new one. With this set, turn on the toggle switch at the top and check on your other devices for a new network name. It will be the name shown at the top of the list on your Pixel, and if you select this, then enter the set password, it should now connect. Wi-Fi on your Pixel might turn off automatically, but this could depend on how new the device is. If you run into any problems connecting to it, you might want to change the option in the speed and compatibility section to see if this helps fix it. That's how to create and set up a personal Wi-Fi hotspot using your Google Pixel. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.